Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you guys how to draw something that I use all the time in my videos, and that is a Sharpie, just like this. So to draw the Sharpie, I'm going to start with the cap. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and kind of rounds out, and it's going to slowly get fatter as it comes back down like this. Then I'm going to connect it with a little curved line. Now, I want to draw the little part that kind of hangs off the side, this part right here that you can clip onto things. So to draw that, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come all the way down to the end of the cap. Then I'm going to make a little curved line that goes in, and then I'm just going to go up and then curve around like this. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight down. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm just going to connect these with a little curved line. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down here and kind of curves around and then comes all the way back up here. Then at the end, I'm going to draw a little kind of square rectangle shape. And then I'm going to give it a nice sharp point because we always want nice pointy Sharpies. Now, on here, I'm going to give it a little bit of a face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle right here. And then I'm going to draw another circle right here. And then I'm going to put two little dots in there for eyes. Make them a little bigger. Then I'm going to make two little eyebrow shapes. Then I'm just going to draw a straight line across. And give it a nice big curved line for a mouth. And then a little tongue in there. Now, I'm going to turn my paper like this, and I'm just going to write that little Sharpie logo right on here. Just like that. And there you go. There is your quick and easy drawing of a cartoon Sharpie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.